as you can see, I like to have a nice lay-in on my days off until my alarm goes off. Even on a chill day, I don't like to lay in too late, so here I am, hey, waking up. I like to lay there and just think about life for a few moments. Just a little disclaimer, I've had such a sore throat, so if I sound really funny, that's why. Then I'll head on to social media. So the first app I look at is Instagram. I just sort of scroll through, give a few likes and look at a few stories. This is my Instagram if you want to check it out. I post all about my holidays and exciting things, so definitely do follow me on there. I have highlights as well, so I have a YouTube one, so you know when I'm filming and behind the scenes stuff, new uploads and things like that. So it's really interesting, so you should definitely give me a follow. I have a gym section too. Then I head on to Snapchat. There I am again. I just look through some messages that you guys have sent me. This is my Snapchat if you wanted to add me. I then just go through a few stories and have a look at those. I then received this really cute Snapchat. It's the sweetest thing I've ever read, so I really appreciate all the support that you guys give me on my Snapchat. Now I go on to Twitter. This is my Twitter page. I post when I'm uploading and I let you know what I'm up to. I also do a few polls on here, so definitely follow me if you want to get involved in what I post and things like that. Once I'm out of bed, I do like to put my dressing gown on and some fluffy socks just to stay warm and cozy, as it's getting really cold now in the mornings. Then I'll open my curtains and I will also make my bed, as I feel like this makes the room look so much tidier. Then I'll head over to my desk to do my makeup. I've sped this up, but I did a really basic look today because it's a very chill, casual day. I have got a makeup routine on my channel. If you do want to see my everyday makeup routine, I'll link it down below. Then it's time to choose an outfit, and my wardrobe is pretty full. What I'll do is I'll pick out a few options, see what I think, until I finally find something that I want to wear. And then just like magic, I am changed. I'll then brush my hair. Then I'll head to the bathroom and clean my teeth. There I am, very serious. Sid, my orthodontist, will be very impressed. Then I do a little catwalk back to my room. I'm kidding. Yeah, so I'm basically ready for the day now. It depends what I'm doing on the day, so it could be editing, meeting up with friends, going shopping, depends on the day. But today I was editing.
love me, I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. Lady Dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, the dog when crashes through the party. Michael Turner's